I dream I know deep up my feelings for you.
Hi viewers, today our topic is YouTube Studio. We will discuss in a detail. First of all, we have to know that YouTube Studio is the home for creators. You can manage your presence, grow your channel, interact with your audience and make money all in one place. You can also use YouTube Studio with the YouTube Studio app on your mobile device. And another one question is that lot of the people asking to me that is YouTube Creator Studio is free. So the answer of this question is absolutely yes. If you have a mobile device like a smartphone or tablet, you can also use the free YouTube Studio app for iOS and Android. This app makes it easy to manage your channel on the go. Another thing is that YouTube Studio is the home for the creators. You have to keep in your mind that YouTube Studio is the home for the creators. You can manage your presence. I already explained to you about this one, that grow your channel, interact with your audience and make money at one place. Another thing is that how do I use YouTube Studio in the Chrome? Actually the viewers, today we will discuss on the different questions about the YouTube Studio. And now you see one question is there: how do I use YouTube Studio in a Chrome? Simple, just sign into the YouTube Studio. In the top right, select your profile picture, select YouTube Studio. This is very simple. And second thing is that how do I open YouTube Studio in desktop mode? It's also very simple. There is 4 point. View the YouTube desktop from your Android phone is simple. First of all, open the Chrome browser on your Android device. Then type youtube.com in the address bar. Then click enter. On third point, tap on the 3 vertical dots in the upper right hand corner. Then on fourth point, tap desktop site in the menu that appears. This is very simple. And the next question is that lot of the people asking to me that is Creator Studio and YouTube Studio is the same thing? This is also important point we have to keep in our mind, that is Creator Studio and the YouTube Studio is the same thing. YouTube Studio is a newer version of the Creator Studio programmer. Again I will repeat to you, YouTube Studio is a newer version of the Creator Studio program. YouTube Studio is used to manage videos on YouTube, including editing, posting and analyzing the data. Creator Studio is based on YouTube's previous algorithm. This is the main difference. Creator Studio is based on YouTube previous algorithm. Creator Studio was a legacy platform with outdated technology. I explained both difference among the Creator Studio and the YouTube Studio. Another thing is that is YouTube Creator is, before going to the YouTube Studio, one question is coming in my mind, that how can I earn through YouTube? This is also very important. Simple, become a YouTube partner and earn money from the ads, because the people, they are earning from the ads, only one source, because AdSense is giving the money regarding ads when some ads are coming on your videos like that. On second point, sell products or merchandise. I am explaining to you that how you can make money from the YouTube. One is becoming the partner and earn money from the ads. Second is sell products or merchandise. And thirdly, crowd fund your next creative project. Number fourth, let your audience support your work through fan funding. Fan funding also very important thing we have to know later on. Number 5th, license your content to the media. And next one is work with brands as a influencer or the affiliator. As an influencer, you can also earn lot of the money from the YouTube. Second thing is that how do I get out of the desktop mode on YouTube? This is also very important question, dear viewers. Lot of the question asked to me, that's why I am just explaining to you that how do I get out of the desktop mode on YouTube. So to fix this, open YouTube as you usually do. It will load it as like just I'm explaining to you. First of all, click that symbol and then go into the cookies. You will see youtube.com listed in it. Click that and delete it. Close the tab with youtube.com. Then in a new tab, manually type in www.youtube.com. On number 5th, you will be seeing the desktop version. Another thing is that is YouTube for the is there a YouTube app for the desktop? Basically, hit download it and open up YouTube desktop app on your window platform, desktop or the laptop. You can. What is the difference between the YouTube studio and the YouTube channel? This is also important. We have to keep in our mind that what is the difference between the YouTube studio and the YouTube channel. Basically, YouTube channel is a social media platform where the user can have a channel on their own. YouTube channel is the place where you will share or upload videos to the channel. YouTube Studio is an analytical instrument that can assist videos, insight, technical tools and content creation on the YouTube channel. Another thing is that how do you make YouTube Studio? Because this is our topic, YouTube Studio. So I will let you know. Let's take a look each element. Dear viewers, let's look at each element of the basic YouTube setup in turn. First is choose your camera, image credit, mini stalker or the shutterstock, and the second is tripod. Third is add a microphone to your YouTube setup. Fourth is lightning your YouTube video. Fifth is audio software. Sixth is video editing software for YouTubers. And the last one is second, consider some YouTube studio background ideas. These are the 7 points you have to keep in your mind before going to make the YouTube studio. Dear viewers, the next one is YouTube studio. In simple words, YouTube studio is the home for the creators. You can manage your presence, grow your channel, interact with your audience. This thing I already explained to you. And the second thing is that how do I start a YouTube studio? Open YouTube studio one by one. I already explained to you that sign in into the YouTube studio. In the top right, select your profile picture and then select YouTube profile. And then, dear viewers, this is very simple, very simple. I explain in a briefly. Even I will explain to you further. Is YouTube Creator Studio free? If you have a mobile device like a smartphone or the tablet, you can also use the free YouTube Studio app for the iOS and the Android. This thing I already explained to you. And the next one is how do you make a YouTube studio? Let's take a look. How many points I give to you? 7 points. 7 points. These are very important if you want to make a YouTube studio. Especially 7 points I explain one by one. Choose your camera, tripod, add a microphone, lightning your YouTube video, audio software, etc. And the other thing is that is YouTube studio helpful? Dear viewers, YouTube Studio offers you a lot of the tools which are well organized and can be extremely useful. You will find its content working in the progress, continuous, constant working in progress, with features and minus changing gradually over the time. Dear viewers, what does the audio app do? The YouTube Studio app is officially YouTube app for the iOS and the Android. It help you monitor and the manage some YouTube analytics and the functions on your mobile device. Dear viewers, I hope this video will be very helpful for you regarding the YouTube Studio. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you so much.